progress. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to work on our interior doors and probably going to try and get some faucets installed in the bathrooms. We might be able to get onto some floor trim, but I picked up my pre-hung doors and we're going to get them installed. Hopefully everything goes good. If I've measured my openings correctly and got everything framed out right, it should go pretty easy. But, well, you know how that goes. All right, all the doors are installed. Some of them give us a little bit of problem, but that's what you get when you have an old house. But they're installed and they, for the most part, seem to be working pretty good. And all the stuff on the floor is in the way. The doors won't open and close. Well, we'll get that later. But it's looking pretty good, coming right along. show you the bathroom. Master bath. Tub is all done. Toilet is set. Still got to put the faucet in the vanity. Doors are set. Still have to do our baseboards, but it won't be long and this will be ready to be put up for rent. Now we'll probably start working on the baseboards and getting the faucets and what have you installed. Our flooring has been in the house now for about 2 weeks and it's ready to be installed. It's acclimated fine. And then we'll do finish painting. And this will be all done. It'll be good to get everything wrapped up. Well, now that we've got our doors installed, I think I'm going to call it a day. And we'll just pick up again tomorrow or another day. We didn't get a chance to get to the countertops and vanity faucets or trim. That's all right. We'll just pick that up another day. But anyway, we did get the doors in, and that's a big positive. I'm happy with them in, and it's actually a big step towards being complete. But it's a good feeling to be at this point, considering where the house come from. And if you haven't seen that video, go back to the beginning and watch the video of where this house started, and you'll be amazed at the transformation that we've made in this particular house. But if you like what you see right now, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You get notified when new content is uploaded. Hit that notification bell, it's right there, and we'll talk to you next time.